These ASMR 2D animations are pulling in millions of views, and you can make them with Seedance. I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow I put together to create them. Head over to our website, go to the GPT Library, and search for a GPT called Seedance Studio. Click on it, then hit Start Chat. Seedance Studio gives you 3 options. The first one is Create a Character Sheet, the second is Create a Storyboard, and the third is Create a Video Prompt. We're going to start with the character sheet. Click on Create a Character Sheet. The GPT will ask you to either describe your character or upload one. We're going to describe ours, so we type in the prompt, 2D cat making noodles, ASMR style. The GPT then gives you a text-to-image prompt that you can use to generate your images. Click the Copy button. Now go to OpenArt, head to the Image tab, and click Create Image. Select the model GPT Image 2, then paste in the character sheet prompt. Set the output to 16:9 and the resolution to 2K. Don't forget to set the quality to high, then click Generate. You'll get an image like this, a cat shown from multiple angles with different expressions, an animation of it making noodles, a close-up of its outfit, and even all the individual elements. Everything is covered in one character sheet. Now let me show you the other method. Uploading your own custom character. Upload your character, then type in the style, personality, age, outfit, and the world it lives in. You can keep it short or go into detail if you want something very specific. We'll type, "Cat is cooking in the kitchen," and we get a character sheet again. Let's take this into OpenArt, paste it into the prompt section, and click Generate. We're going to test 2 different models side by side, so let's also try Nano Banana 2 so we can compare the results. Click Generate on that one too. Make sure your settings are the same, 16:9 at 2K resolution. Here are the differences. This is the first image from Nano Banana 2, and this is the second. Now here's GPT Image 2, the first image and the second. Personally, I find this one more detailed. I went with GPT Image 2 and got a character reference sheet like this one. This is what we'll use going forward. Open a new chat in Seedance Studio. This time, click on Create a Storyboard. The GPT will ask you a few questions: how long the video is, how many shots, and what happens in each one. You'll also need to paste in the character sheet you made in OpenArt, then describe the scene. We type in, "The cat is making noodles, 8 seconds, 4 shots." The GPT then gives you a storyboard and a video prompt. Copy the text-to-image prompt for the storyboard. Go back to OpenArt, drag your character sheet into the prompt section. You'll need it here too. Then paste in the storyboard prompt. Click Generate and you'll get a storyboard like this one, showing the cat preparing noodles. I also tried it with a rice scene, also 4 shots, and you can see it picks up every detail. And I tried it with a cucumber prep scene too. The results are solid. We're going to grab the first shot. Here's how. Simply ask the GPT, "Can you give me a text-to-image prompt for shot 1?" It'll give you a prompt specifically for that shot. Copy it, then go back to OpenArt. Drag the storyboard image into the prompt section, paste in the shot 1 prompt, and click Generate. The image you get is your first start frame for Seedance. Now it's time to make the video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. In OpenArt, select the video model Seedance 2.0, then click Text with Reference. Select the 3 images you made, the character sheet, the storyboard, and the start frame. Paste in the video prompt, set the mode to normal, turn on audio, set the resolution to 1080p, the aspect ratio to 16:9, and the duration to 8 seconds. Then hit Generate, and that's how you get videos like these. The third option in Seedance Studio is Create a Video Prompt, but you only really need that if you've lost your video prompt somewhere along the way. Just click on it, upload the 3 reference images you made, and briefly describe what you want to see. For example, the cat is slicing cucumber. It'll generate a new video prompt based on your reference images, and you can create videos like this one. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.